Market video analytics. We're back. We got the euro dollar just established a bearish position here. Just pulled the trigger on this one. And this is actually a establishing of a bearish position, right? Because a couple of weeks ago, I had the first attempt on a bearish position here. You probably remember that price was beginning to break away from that 114.17, which I've declared as the main point of reference. We're looking at this particular key level for the past 2 months now, right? We saw price beginning to move away. That's pretty much where I thought that price was just going to continue to build up that downside trend. Now, I was off with regards to the timing. I mean, I still strongly believe on that bearish conviction. If you remember, I specifically said as long as price remains below 114.17 and continue to give us weekly close, weekly close bars below that particular key level, then the conviction is very strong on the downside. But I think I was off with regards to the timing. Price went straight to the upside, and I quickly pulled out as I saw that there's no sustainability. And that down move, I actually sensed that price will probably go back to check up one more time on that 114.17. I just wanted to make sure that it could end up the week below that key level. And take a look what happened here. I'm talking about last week, of course. You can see that that spike here. So effectively speaking, this was the 8th attempt breaking above that 114.17. I mean, take a look. It started right here. The first, second, third, slightly touching here. Fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh. Right? 7th was last week. Even this week, we already started by touching base on that particular key level. So that was the 8th attempt straight on that key level. I think this is a profound resistance, and I think the market is trying, in this case, the euro dollar, is trying to tell us something with regards to that particular key level. So I decided to go for a second attempt here on the downside, right here, right now, when price is still very close to that 114.17. So we're taking it with a better price than the last attempt we had. And yeah, I expect price to begin to land at this point. We have a long way to go. This is a long-term perspective we have here. We're taking this one from the big setup, basically coming from the monthly chart. According to that setup, the next major key level is only at 107.57. As you can see, we're talking about 650 pip of potential move, and I'm going to try to aim all the way there. Let's see if we can build up a long-term bearish position on the euro, which both from the fundamental point of view and the technical point of view, it's definitely a strong sell, strong bearish conviction. That's what we're trying to see. If we can squeeze that move. I've started with the stop loss level at 116.25. I give it a lot of room because we're still on the upside, kind of. But once the price begins to move to the other direction, once it begins to to build up some negative momentum, I will adjust the stop loss level accordingly. So there you go. I've just pulled the trigger on a bearish position, euro dollar. I'll follow up. I'll keep you posted. See you in the next video.